Maayong hapon bay. Kani siya ako ning ginatest gahapon. Ginatest. Ako ning gitest gahapon for a video like a review for the Ulanzi light stand, and it was posted sa akong vlog, which is my channel, my English channel, which is bisdakvlagger. I can link the video below. So what I found out about this thing is that kani disclaimer ta, before anything else, I don't prepare for my video. I don't rehearse. I don't have a script, and I'm not sponsored by these guys. Just ako lang na siyang gonna try, and I'm sharing to you guys in Bisaya because I also share it in my English channel, which is bisdakvlagger. But anyway, what I found out about this camera is that the quality is so good. Nindot kay siya 10-bit, nindot siya quality na siya depth of field gamay, and it's really good compared to the usual action camera or cameras like these, that the Pocket 2. It's really so good. Low light is so good. The colors are really good. So the depth of field is really good with this camera. One thing I note is that akong wala maganahi is just the audio. The audio is a bit muffled, but it could be with regards to this one here, aning wind fern. So I need to get used to it. I need to know how this thing works. I need to get used to the camera, and also ang sa ko problema is ang exposure. Usually kung mag-vlog ka, mag-auto exposure man ka. I do manual, but I was in a hurry, so I did auto exposure, and sometimes murag sobra siya ka bright, so sobra siya ka dark. So it could be user error. I'm not used to how this camera behaves, but I'm gonna try to get used to it in the next few days. So that's why every time I get an update with this camera, or like every time I find something about this camera or any other gear I have, I'm gonna post it on this vlog. It's gonna be a trickle upload because I don't really di ko ganahan maglista. Lista, tanan mo ni tanan ang problema ng camera ha. Then later on I realized that I'm wrong. So every time I find something, I just report sa akong videos, and then if I'm wrong in the next few days, I'm just gonna update that video with another video. So that way I don't have to read all through the lines niya. Murag siya gabasa na kung murag dili na kayo, di na lingaw. I want this channel to be like spontaneous and lingaw. So that tukan ko, that's what I'm doing. And hoping this thing will give me more idea of how, no, hoping that I could get more idea of using this, and I'm gonna update you guys with whatever. Anyway, quick video, quick video lang ni siya bay, and what I'm saying is that this is very good. Quality is so good. Just the audio, I just need to get used to. Ang ihang exposure, I just need to get used to unsay saktong settings sa exposure, auto ISO ba or auto shutter or whatever. And also, nahagtak ni siya dito sa akong lapag. Daw sa auto, nahagtak ni untol. So ko, kuba, pisti. Yan, nagbutang mo ko skin. Naigo ning gimbal gamay, but gamay ra ka siya ang lumping. It's very good. This case really protected it. And nagibutang mo niya ako aning connection, kaning extension niya para sa gunitanan o butanganan sa mount. So muning na unang natagak niya, naigo nga rin. Though naaman siya skin, so it's fine. It's still good. Sakit ang dughan kinahagtak, but thanks to the skin and also thanks to this protection, this case, wala siya madaot. So good job DJI for that one. Again, I'm not sponsored. If ilang is sponsored, nice. But anyway, pura siya bay. If you're thinking about getting this as your vlogging camera, it's not that cheap though, but if you're using this as your vlog camera, this is very good. I used this for an event, and it really is good. Muna na siya, di na ako magyaw-yaw, okay? Murag balik na akong storya. See you next time, guys.